Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Tricknology. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to create an image of your pen drive. So you just need to follow me and don't forget to subscribe my channel Tricknology. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So at first you need to download this image USB. So I will give you the link on my video description. After go to this website, you have to scroll down and you have to click on this image USB download now button. So after click on this link, you will get one zip file. So I have already downloaded this on my computer, so I will not download it again. So just open that image USB zip file, just right click over there and click on extract here. After that you will get a lots of folder like this and file and txt file over there. So just double click on this image usb.exe file. Now click on yes, and after that you will get a window like this. So what you have to do, you have to select your USB like this. So check this option, which one you have to create an image for your USB drive. So after that you have to select this option, which is create image from USB drive, and now click on browse and select your location, and after that you have to put any name over there. In my case I will put here USB backup, and after that click on save. Now click on create to backup your USB. After that click on yes. Now click on yes once again. Now it will take some time to creating your backup, so you have to wait for few minutes. So after create your image from your USB drive, if you need to clone your USB, then just click on this write image to USB, this option, and after that click on browse and select that USB backup which you have created already, and after that you have to click on this write button. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.